Alright, we're going to try to bring this old farm truck wheel back to life. We're going to first start off using Magnum wire, let it soak for a minute, and then go ahead and hit it with some water and just rinse it off. And then you're going to prepare your applicator pad. Just put a little bit of Pro Red on there. Give it a little bit of elbow grease. You might have to do multiple applications if it's real scuffed up and dirty. After the desired amount of polishing, grab a microfiber towel and just wipe off the excess and enjoy the shine.